Hi folks, Chuck and Ben McCown here this morning. Got something new for you. We're branching out into the world of ED remedies here. So if your unit's too small, you need a few extra inches, we have the remedy for excavation depth ED problems. So this came to us with a MT12 on it. And the customer needed to go a little bit deeper. And so what we did was a version of our Vermeer speed conversion kit. But in this case, it's the Ditch Witch depth conversion kit. I really like how this came out. So let's go over here and look and see how it attaches. Um, it's really just two pins here. Probably easier to see them on the other side. And you just pull these two pins from the MT12, remove it, and put the McCown Technology depth conversion kit on and put the same two pins right back in, and away you go. We have some hydraulic hoses that are a little bit longer that are needed for it, but it's very simple, very easy. Let's go around and look at the arm. This arm will come separately, or it won't be attached to the saw. So there's a pin down here, and I don't honestly know which is the easier way to go, whether to put the arm on the saw housing and then on the tractor, or put the arm on the tractor and then on the saw housing. They both require a little bit of alignment, but it should be 15-20 minutes to switch one of these things. Very simple, very straightforward. And of course, this is just our regular 16-inch saw. We've got a new feature on this saw that we will, it takes different arms to do it, but if you notice, there's a panel right here, and this is for future. We did a lot of research about side dump and how to improve the efficiency of side dump, how to improve the cleanliness of the trench when you're side dumping. And this is a street side dump port, but when coupled with the we've got a dirt deflector that'll move in and out and really gets most of the dirt out of the trench. And then we had conveyors and other things. I don't know, you might have seen those. But in any event, if anybody needs the street side dump, so you're not filling up curb and gutter with spoils, let us know, because we've built these to be able to do that. New product, we're calling this the SAW16 D. And it's just something fun to announce on a warm summer day. Thanks.